Welcome. In front of me is a Realme 9 Pro, and today I will show you how you can bypass the Google verification on this phone when the device is locked. So you can see right here the device is locked for me, and I can unlock it using the pattern or using the Google account. If I close this, it will load up Google account. Now, to get started, there is one thing that we will need, and that is internet connection. I have already connected to a network, as you can see right here, the icon. So there we go. Additionally, you can see there is the verify your account. Anyway, so there it is. I am also connected to Wi-Fi. And once you have connected to it, which you just go to the setup, connect to it, and once you have done so, you want to go back to the second page of the setup, which is the select language. And here you will find right at the top this little icon, this guy icon for accessibility. Click on it, enable it, and from here, you want to tap right here, tap to turn on. It by default will give you a pop-up, so just select allow. And right now, once you enable this, it's probably a little bit annoying. It will be talking quite loudly, so what you want to do is simply mute it if you don't want to hear it, if it bothers you. And on this page, you will draw a mirrored L, but starting from the bottom of it. So I'm gonna do it like this. There we go. And this isn't actually the page that should show up. It's by default it looks a little bit different, but it basically, I kind of disregarded it the first time around I tried. But the thing is, you want to select enable the TalkBack option, or TalkBack, or voice commands, or whatever it's called. So there we go, voice commands. So I'm gonna tap on it now. With the actual TalkBack enabled, you need to first tap on whatever you want to accept, and then double tap it to confirm it. Now, from here, it will be listening to, so you want to select, or not select, but say open Google Assistant. Try it again. Open Google Assistant. Open YouTube. Oops.
Hi, I'm your assistant, here to help you throughout your day. Here are some things you can try saying to...
Open YouTube.
Opening YouTube.
Okay, so there we go. That's basically what we needed to do. TalkBack is still running in the background, being really annoying, so disregard that. But as you've seen, once you tap on use the voice command, voice command, you want to then immediately after it beeps, say open Google Assistant, and once it does, you can right away say open a YouTube, or if it didn't recognize your command because you waited too long, you want to double or single click the microphone and then double click it to accept it, and then say open YouTube when it's listening to you. Once it opens up YouTube, which we have right now, we want to hold both volume keys to simply turn off the voiceover or voice commands. Oops, let's try it again. There we go. It shows up with this little pop-up, so we're gonna select, let's see, do I select turn on or don't turn on? Hold down both volume keys for a few seconds, turns on TalkBack and... Oh, okay, now we just get to press it once again. Okay, there we go. Now we can use the phone normally. So as you've seen, once you press volume up and down, you then select turn on, and then you hold those volume up and down once more. So from here, we're gonna now go into accounts, which is this icon right here, and we're gonna navigate to, let's see, excuse me. So from here, we're gonna navigate into, what is it, open feedback. Oh, settings. Did I Nope, I missed a button, so let's try it again. Settings, there we go. And in here, we're gonna go into About, and then Google Privacy Policy. Select Accept and Continue, and No Thanks. And from here, we're gonna tap on the search bar at the top and type in HardReset.Info/bypass. Now I'll type it, and you can pause the video if you need a moment to copy it. There we go. So now would be the time to pause. And from here, once you navigate to this website, you're gonna scroll down and open up Settings application, which is just, as you can see, Settings app. Click on it, and this will open up your phone's settings. And in here, we're gonna navigate to Google accounts. So, somewhere at the bottom. Oh no, never mind, my bad. I misread that. So once we're in the settings, we're navigating to, where is it? I believe it's the system settings. Yep, system settings. From here, you're gonna select backup and reset. Reset phone, erase all data, erase all data, erase all data. This will begin a factory reset of your phone. So this will probably take a minute or so to finish up. And once it has, we will be back in our setup screen for the Android. At which point you can go through the setup of your phone however you like. It will be fully unlocked. Basically, factory reset of the device done through settings removes every kind of protection that is on the phone. So right now it's virtually unlocking itself. So I'm gonna let it run through and come back once it's finished. So there we go. As you can see, the factory reset has now finished, and we can now go through our setup. I'll skip basically everything that I can just to do it as quick as I can. But obviously you can set up your device however you like, so you don't have to follow me along with this. And I will mention one thing: I can skip Wi-Fi connection, which if the device is locked, obviously you cannot do so. And right about done. There we go. So as you can see, I have just finished the setup. There was no need to verify anything anymore because the device is now fully unlocked. And there we go. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.